Ever noticed this? You look at your phone. Full signal bars. Everything looks perfect. But when you open YouTube, it buffers. You open Instagram. It won't refresh. You try to load a website, and it just spins. So what's going on? If the signal is full, why is your internet still slow? Let's break it down. Before we go ahead, if you like simple breakdowns of everyday tech problems, subscribe, because to this channel makes tech make sense. First, signal bars do not mean internet speed. This is the biggest misconception. Those bars only show your connection strength to a cell tower or Wi-Fi router. They do not measure download speed, upload speed, network congestion, server response time, or bandwidth. Think of it like this. Signal bars tell you how loudly your phone can hear the tower. They don't tell you how fast the tower can talk back. Big difference. Now let's talk about network congestion. Imagine you're on a highway. The road is perfect. No potholes. No damage. But it's rush hour. Thousands of cars. Traffic everywhere. That's what happens during peak hours. Even with full signal. If too many people are connected to the same tower, speed drops. In the US, this is common during evenings, game nights, major live events. So your signal is strong, but the network is crowded. Next, your internet plan matters. Not all unlimited plans are truly unlimited. Many carriers reduce your speed after you use a certain amount of data. This is called data throttling. You may still have full bars, but your provider has intentionally slowed your connection. It's not a signal problem. It's a plan limitation. Now let's look at Wi-Fi. Full Wi-Fi bars don't guarantee speed either. You could be sitting right next to your router, but your router could be old, overheating, overloaded, or running outdated firmware. If you're using an old router that only supports 2.4 GHz, your speeds will be slower than modern 5 GHz or Wi-Fi 6 routers. So your phone isn't the problem. The hardware is. Another hidden reason? Background apps. Your phone may be updating apps, backing up photos, syncing cloud storage, or downloading system updates, all in the background. You don't see it, but your bandwidth is being used. So when you try to stream something, it feels slow, because your internet is already busy. Now here's something most people ignore. DNS delay. DNS is what translates website names into IP addresses. If your DNS server is slow, websites take longer to start loading. Even if your speed is technically fast, it feels like lag. But it's actually lookup delay. Switching to a faster DNS can sometimes improve perceived speed instantly. Let's talk about server speed. Sometimes, it's not your internet at all. If a website server is overloaded, everyone experiences slow loading, even users with fiber internet. So before blaming your network, check if the platform itself is having issues. Device limitations matter too. If your phone is old, low on storage, or filled with cached data, performance drops. Your processor struggles. Pages load slower. Apps freeze. It feels like internet lag, but it's actually device slowdown. That's why clearing cache sometimes magically fixes slow internet. It wasn't the internet. It was your phone. Here's another big one. Weak upload speed. Most people only think about download speed. But if your upload speed is low, especially on video calls, everything lags, even with full bars. Because communication is two-way. Download receives data. Upload sends data. Both must be strong. And then, there's interference. If you're on Wi-Fi, microwaves, Bluetooth devices, thick walls, other nearby routers, all interfere with your signal quality. You still see full bars, but the quality of that connection is reduced. It's like talking in a noisy room. You can hear the person, but not clearly. So what can you actually do? Restart your router. Restart your phone. Run a speed test. Check if you've exceeded your data cap. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to compare. Move closer to the router. Clear background apps. Clear cache. Update your router firmware. Or upgrade old hardware if necessary. Simple fixes solve most slow internet problems. Here's the truth. Full bars only mean connection strength, not connection performance. Speed depends on network congestion, plan limitations, router quality, background usage, server load, device performance, and interference. Once you understand that, you stop guessing and start fixing the real problem. Next time your internet feels slow, don't panic. Don't blame the signal bars. Now you know better. And if you like simple breakdowns of everyday tech problems, subscribe, because this channel makes tech make sense. I'll see you in the next one.